Understanding Inhibit Growth, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, inhibit growth. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language, and we're here to help you do just that. Inhibit growth is a phrase that combines two words, inhibit and growth. To inhibit means to hinder, restrain, or prevent something from happening. Growth refers to the process of increasing in size, number, or importance. Together, inhibit growth means to prevent or slow down the process of growing or developing. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. Environmental factors. Pollution can inhibit the growth of marine life. 2. Business scenario. Lack of investment can inhibit growth in a startup. 3. Personal development. Fear of failure often inhibits personal growth. Knowing synonyms and antonyms can deepen your understanding. Synonyms: hinder, impede, obstruct, stifle. Antonyms: promote, encourage, foster, stimulate. Now, let's use inhibit growth in different sentences. 1. Overwatering plants can inhibit their growth. 2. The company's strict policies are inhibiting growth in the workforce. 3. Lack of sunlight and nutrients inhibits the growth of these plants. And that's a wrap on inhibit growth. Remember, understanding phrases like this can greatly enhance your English skills. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!